In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to contact Deepseek support directly from the app on your phone step by step. Let's jump right in. Open the Deepseek app. Make sure you are logged in and on the menu screen. Now tap on your profile or settings icon. You will usually find this in the top left corner. Tap on these two horizontal lines. Now you will find your profile on the left corner. Tap on your profile. Now scroll down. You can see contact us right here. Tap on it. Now choose how you want to contact them. You will likely see options like this. Now tap on messages. Tap on contact support. And you can share your problems from here. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap that notification bell so you stay in the loop. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.